Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device so the reset succeeds. Make sure the battery is at least 20% or plug into a charger to avoid interruptions. Save any custom settings because a reset erases them. Write down the SSID and password. Once done, locate the power button and the small reset pinhole on the back or bottom and identify the SIM slot. These first actions prevent data loss and ensure you can restart the unit immediately after the reset completes. You now execute the factory reset carefully because timing matters. First, power the device off and then on to clear transient faults. Make sure Wi-Fi clients are disconnected. Next, insert a paperclip into the reset pinhole and press firmly for 8 to 12 seconds until the lights change or blink in a reset pattern. Release and allow the device several minutes to reboot. The modem reinitializes firmware and network parameters. This full reset restores default credentials and resolves persistence. You finish by reconfiguring and validating connectivity to confirm success. Connect to the default SSID printed on the unit, then log into the admin portal to re-enter APN, PIN, and Wi-Fi security settings. Change the default password immediately. Once configured, test browsing and check signal bars. If there is still no internet, make sure the SIM has data by testing it in a phone, verify account status, and toggle airplane mode on the device. These steps catch SIM or carrier issues rather than hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.